Good day guys and welcome to Firestorm. My name is Morne and I am working with Traction to learn you guys on how to code. So to start coding you are going to need a text editor. The text editor that me and Traction are using are the one called Visual Studio Code. So today in this video I will show you on how to download Visual Studio Code and how to install it. So the first step that you are going to do is to open your browser and you are going to search Visual Studio Code. And you will see there will be a link to Visual Studio Code's website. Just click on that link. Alright, so in the website you can see that there is a link, like a button to download it for Windows. But if you click on this arrow that shows down, you will see that it is also available for Mac or for Linux. So depending on the operating system that you have, you can install it for the operating system that you have, but I am currently using Windows, so I'm just going to click on download for Windows, and you will see that it is starting to download here at the bottom. Okay guys, so once your download is finished, you will see that it will display that it is finished here at the bottom. But if it doesn't display anything, then just minimize your browser, open your PC or my computer in Windows 7, and then you will see it displays a tab that says downloads. Just click on it and you will see that it is located in your downloads folder. So then just double click on it to run. You will see the setup menu is running now. So just say I accept the agreement. Now this is the path where you would like to let your program files of Visual Studio Code be installed. But in this case I will leave the default as it is right here. Then you just click next and you just click next again. Okay guys, please notice that if you don't tick this box there will be no icon for Visual Studio Code. So I would recommend that you please tick the box, but otherwise if you don't tick it you will have to find it in your start menu or in the installer file in your PC. So then just click next again and say install. Okay guys, so once the installer is done, you can close everything, including your browser and everything that is open. Then you will see that the launch Visual Studio Code box is ticked. If you would like to let it launch now, when you click finish you can leave the tick in the box, but I will just show you how it works without the tick in the box. So you just click finish and then you can just double click on Visual Studio Code and you will see it will start to open. Alright guys, so this is how to install Visual Studio Code. I hope that you have found this video very helpful, and please go and subscribe to Firestorm's YouTube page for more videos on how to code.